How many colleges are you talking to? 5, 6 of them?
So far we've tied up with 5 different
tied up already?
Yes, we've already partnered with 5 different colleges. We're talking to 12 different...
On top of it, who are these 5?
ACE,
okay.
College of Management.
Yeah.
We have...
sorry to put you on the spot.
Sorry, NCCS.
Okay.
And we have VS International. Yeah, we're in talks with Kings. We're almost...
Narottam sir, come on, let's do it.
Narottam sir has been out of the country. That's why it's been delayed.
No. Let me call him real time. And the other one?
Who else? DAV College is there. But we're working with Apex College.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, we're talks with... I can't remember the names.
No worries.
So we've been in talks with 12 different colleges so far. 5 of them have already signed partnership MOUs, and they're already talking with their students and getting them students to our at the fest.
Okay, that's awesome, because I personally want, like, I'm sure a lot of kids are listening from their school and college. I know you're somewhere. I want them to go out and tell their college that we want to come here.
Yes, definitely. If you're listening to this, definitely reach out to our college and see how you can get tickets and passes to the event, to the festival.
यो किन मैले यो भनिरहँदाखेरि मलाई धेरै मेसेज आयो क्या. I'm getting a lot of messages, and then I need to tell them that they have to go ahead and they can always come, but if they go ahead and tell their college, then that's going to be the best thing.
Thank you very much for watching us on YouTube. Make sure that you also listen to us on Spotify.